DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.
And is that gonna be my last one for the night? I had a couple more I wanted to react to. But yeah. But I might react to one after this. I'll see how I'm feeling. Is it me, man? I see how I feel after that. So, but this one we got is Demarco, So Much Hate. And this one requested by Blu-ray. Blu-ray, so there's yourself. Blu-ray been supporting, man. They want to day one supporters, bro. Appreciate you, my G. Does it mean? I want to entitle So Much Hate by Demarco. Hey, the last track we reacted from Demarco was it Dirty Janko? Or was it yeah, I think it was Dirty Janko was the last song we reacted to from Demarco. Now he's back with So Much Hate. And there's other track that he dropped that I didn't realize. So we're gonna check those out as well. Check those out as well at a later date. But right now I reacted to Demarco, So Much Hate gang. Let's get it, man. Let's see what Demarco and he would find it. One yeah. Why that nigga look like Trippie Redd a while ago, bro? Why that man look like Trippie Redd a while ago, bro? Tell me that man don't look like Trippie. Tell me that man don't look like Trippie Redd. That's this Trippie Redd dad or something, bro? Come on. Champion a pop.
Me ask Jaja fi show me a sign and him clear the vision with the cloud. Dog got so much hate to the road.
Come on, man. Oh, that he's starting off powerful in this one.
I got so much hate to the road. Put my trust in a friend and enough of them would have ground me. Dog got so much hate to the road. Dog got so much hate to the road.
Yo, Demarco still got a powerful ass voice, bro. You see me from Fallen Soldier till now, man. Come on.
Them want me dream for damage. I saw people savage. Left them in the past or airport. That's how we deal with baggage.
Yo.
Show the love for the music first, then me see the cabbage. The way of me measure success is when me leave with knowledge. Me try to show my friend them off.
Easy now, man. Easy now, man. Talk to him now. Talk to him now, Marco. Talk to him, man. Drop some knowledge from you.
Them in the past or airport, that's how we deal with baggage. Show the love for the music first, then me see the cabbage. The way of me measure success is when me leave with knowledge. Me try to show my friend them off, and make the cheddar, make the cheese. Them rather dip on the ends or beat the chalice. Rather be the millionaire than figure be the gallus.
Easy now, man. That's a fact. Well, you know, balance, me I say. You see me when me get where I try to say the Marco, me G.
Them rather dip on the ends or beat the chalice. Rather be the millionaire than figure be the gallus. Me say friend a beef with crutches. Me ask Jaja fi show me a sign.
Boy, man say yo, rather. Hey, man say me try to show that him for be millionaire rather dip on the ends or be chalice. You see me rather be the millionaire than be the gallus. As I'm missing off my friend, my beef with crutches, but you're not beef with your dollar. Once you have a paper, your money never go costing on me, G. Never.
Dan figure be the gallus, missy friend a beef with crutches.
Yo, come in now, man. We have to pull out the one, them, man. That bad. Marco, big up yourself.
Oh, my friend them off, and make the cheddar, make the cheese. Them rather dip on the ends or beat the chalice. Rather be the millionaire than figure be the gallus. Missy friend a beef with crutches. Me ask Jaja fi show me a sign and him clear the vision with the cloud. Dog got so much hate to the road.
Come on, this hook so powerful right now, gang. So powerful, man.
Dog got so much hate to the road. Put my trust in a friend and enough of them would have ground me. Dog got so much hate to the road me. Dog got so much hate to the road me.
This powerful, this so powerful, bro. This song right here, this is fire.
Support your friend down when them need you. Nowadays mankind so fucking evil. Them is set up people figure bleed you. Success I kill them, not that the reason. But you fi stop it. If I your friend, not this your friend, you're out of pocket.
That's a fact, man. Stop it, bro. Come in, man.
Not the reason. But you fi stop it. If I your friend, not this your friend, you're out of pocket. Pussy, if you fake no bridge, you current loud the socket. You see the wagon bumper wall and even happy. Negativity we block it. Ask Jaja fi show me a sign and him clear the vision with the cloud.
Demarco, big up your damn self for the song I'm a G. I want to hear, man. Yo, them a song I feel get the them a song I feel get the whole life play, bro. You see me I say, me nah lie, man. Them song are powerful, bro. Come on, man. Me have to pull it up, man. Come on.
See we blacky, judge have to show me a sign and them clear the vision with the cloudy. Dog got so much hate to the road me. Dog got so much hate to the road me. Put my trust in a friend and enough of them would have ground me.
So much hate you there around me. Come on, man. So I have to come time to cut out some people free, man. You know what I'm saying? If you elevate their life, man. No.
I got so much hate to the road me. I got so much hate to the road me.
Have it clear me as well when the vision you're getting cloudy. Oh, bad. That's so much hate to the room me. Yo, it's bad. Life lessons, lyrics, melodies, beat. They are so. Demarco, my G. Come in, man. Oh, class. You know, so that's something I any song tonight though. After any night on the tuna. Big man thing. Yeah, man, me have any with this, man. It's a blessing, man. Me have any of some, man. Big up yourself, Marco. I write tune this. Big up your damn self. You know what I'm saying? No, man. One shot, man. That's a fact. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Marco. Amazing track. I have any of this, bro. Guys. No tune come after that can beat it right now. From what I say. No tune I'm gonna play right now can beat that. So I have to leave it on a note. Like that. You see me that mafia leave with some blessings and some, you know what I'm saying, guidance and some knowledge from most time, man. You see me I say, yeah man, big up Demarco, man. Amazing track. Like it, gang, definitely go show the artist some love and support, man. You know, say Jambisco dance. Say no. You see me I say, yeah man, gang, yeah man, lit tune, man. That tune I didn't deserve recognition. And deserve praise and deserve like them. Shout out to Blu-ray for requesting that one, man. I really like that one. Yeah, shout out to Blu-ray, man. You never disappoint now. You never request no foolishness at Blu-ray. Big up yourself, man. You see me? I always keep on Blu-ray. I always send you request them, bro. If you want to see me now, I'm gonna get around to them eventually. You see me? Sometimes I just have stuff to get around, so keep on sending request them, G. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Demarco. So much hate. Beautiful track, bro. That shit is amazing. Definitely, man. I'm adding to that to the playlist, bro. You see me? I'm about to listen to that again tonight before I go to sleep. No cap, Demarco, legend, man, legend. You see me, man? I best. Hey, beats, man, is teach you to beats on YouTube and them thing there, man. A musical genius, you know. Yeah, man. I mean, while I do like reacting to the new artists, I need to remember, I need to go back to the OGs and the old heads sometimes because, them drop some tune there where. Younger you them can't job because they don't live a life and the experience to drop them there. You see me only, you know what I'm saying? So yeah man, me see Da Vinci I want him got up, man, I have to check out the one tomorrow, you know. You see me and say? Yeah man, so I add the one to the playlist, gang. I don't know. Yeah man, I hope everyone stay blessed, prayed up. Hope you all have a good week, a good Monday and a good work week, good school week. You see me? And a productive week, and we here make every day count and step closer to our goals, man. Dan Mafia, I appreciate y'all. Thank you for showing the love and support. Thank for always liking the video, sharing the video, and commenting, all that good stuff, man. We're gonna take it to the top, man. On the road 10K, 100K, and 1 million. You see me? We're gonna make it happen. Dan Mafia, you can't stop winning, man. You see me? Yeah, man. Once again, shout out to Jamaica's Worst Gamer, Reacts, Tyreek Reacts, aka the Reaction Boss. Shout out to them. We had a lit light today, live today. They showed your boy mad love. You see me? Yeah, so shout out to him. We like the unity. I'm like when I see how go on. You see me? I'm saying they're doing for the culture, man. We doing the thing. Shape a whole different. You see me? Part of the genre where they didn't know existed right now. You see me? I'm saying big man thing, but I appreciate y'all for the love and support, man. You see me? Like I said, live gonna be coming more frequent. You see me? The live's gonna be more frequent, and live gonna be more frequent. We got more frequent topics to talk about, all that good stuff. Make sure so we have more. And yeah, we're gonna definitely go try link up with Jamaica's Worst Gamer and Tyreek Reacts again, Reaction Boss again. You see me? So yeah, man. So look out for more stuff like that, more content like that. I mean, you know, we're only getting started. We're looking to get bigger and better and everything. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, Dan Mafia. I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all join the Discord. Link is in the description, gang. Yeah, join the Discord. You can talk to me directly, send me messages, send me videos, all that good stuff, man. We'll lead over there. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Till next time, gang. You don't know about Jambisco. Next time, gang. I was here and I hit and smash on. Banger. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.